Hello teachers, and welcome back to lesson 5. This is part 3 of 3. Here's just a reminder of the content that we're focusing on today, and we're going to jump into our conversation. So we've just now finished our spelling, and we've got all of the vocabulary on the bottom of the board, and we're going to set it up for that. So I'm going to draw a line, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to say, boys and girls, it's the floor. And then I'm going to say, boys and girls, can you guess what this is? And then I'll start to draw on the whiteboard what this is. Oh, teacher, I know, it's a table. Yes, it's a table, good job. Okay, so we have a table, we have a bin, and then we have a bag. And I've just got the outline of a bag. And then I'm gonna say, all right, boys and girls, I'm gonna put the pencil on the table. So put the pencil on the table. Everybody reads that together, and I put it on the table. Good job. Now I've modeled this sufficiently, so I'm going to ask my student to come up and I'll say, all right, boys and girls, put the glue in the bin, put the scissors on the table, put the crayon under the table, something like this. And here's my first student. I'll say, all right, Bob, put the sharpener in the bin. And so Bob will then say, the sharpener is in the bin. Good job, Bob. Now Bob is going to ask Jim, all right, Jim, stand up, please. And then Bob is going to say to Jim, Jim, put the notebook, put the book in the bag. And then Jim is going to say, the book is in the bag, all right? And then Jim is going to say to Sally, Sally, put the glue, I think it is, put the scissors under the table. And then Sally will say, the scissors are under the table, okay? And then you just basically rotate all of your students in the class to be able to say these kinds of things, okay? And as long as you are satisfied with the ability for students to be able to reproduce and create their own sentences, then you've done a really good job. Now that will take some time to do it. Now we move on to our reading part, and the reading part is quite simple. The teacher will write down the question. Where is the sharpener? Number 2, where is the book bag? Number 3, where are the scissors? Last one, where is the chair? So now you have the question, answer, and that can be used as a reading. So you can have team A stand up and they read the question, team B stands up and then they read the answer, okay? Then team B reads the question, team C reads the answer. Then team C reads the question, team D reads the answer, and then finally team D reads the question, team A reads that answer. So then you're rotating the reading all over again. All right, teachers, that was really a lot of fun. Now, once we move on to our writing, this is the idea. The teacher then erases all of the nouns, all of the stationery, and then you allow the students to really use their brains. And you can reshuffle the vocabulary so that the sentences now become different and they become meaningful to the student. Once you've reshuffled that vocabulary, you can then check on that and mark the books. The only thing for you to do now is to wrap up with your students, tally all of your scores in their books, and then finally say goodbye. Teachers, I hope you really enjoyed lesson 5. I know I enjoyed it a lot, thinking of new fun activities and games. I will join you in the next one. So until then, take care and bye-bye.